Hello again, Ms. Julie here with another story from the Public Library. The Halloween House by Erica Silverman, illustrated by Jon Agee, published by Farrar, Straus, Giroux, New York. In the Halloween house, in a dark, dingy den, a papa werewolf crouched with his little ones 10. "Howl," said the papa. "We howl," said the 10. So they howled through the night in the dark, dingy den. In the Halloween house, in a bed made of pine, a mama vampire woke with her little ones 9. "Rise," said the mama. "We rise," said the 9. So they rose through the night from the bed made of pine. In the Halloween house, on a slimy old plate, a papa worm huddled with his little ones 8. "Squirm," said the papa. "We squirm," said the 8. So they squirmed through the night on the slimy old plate. In the Halloween house, under rafters near heaven, a mama bat hung with her little ones 7. "Swoop," said the mama. "We swoop," said the 7. So they swooped through the night under rafters near heaven. In a Halloween house above bent candlesticks, a papa ghost hovered with his little ones 6. "Boo," said the papa. "We boo," said the 6. So they booed through the night above bent candlesticks. In a Halloween house by a yawning fireside, a mama monster played with her little ones 5. "Chase," said the mama. "We chase," said the 5. So they chased through the night by the yawning fireside. In a Halloween house on a creaky cobwebbed floor, a papa skeleton swayed with his little ones 4. "Dance," said the papa. "We dance," said the 4. So they danced through the night on the creaky cobwebbed floor. In the Halloween house among junk and debris, a mama spider wove with her little ones 3. "Swing," said the mama. "We swing," said the 3. So they swung through the night among junk and debris. In the Halloween house where the books are askew, a papa cat lurked with his little ones 2. "Pounce," said the papa. "We pounce," said the 2. So they pounced through the night where the books were askew. In the Halloween house where the cauldron was hung, a mama witch chanted with her little witch 1. "Fly," said the mama. "I fly," said the 1. So she flew through the night where the cauldron was hung. In the Halloween house at the rise of the sun, the parents all said hush to their dear little ones. "Vanish," they whispered, and then there were none. Halloween was over at the rise of the sun. Happy Halloween. Thanks for joining us, and I hope you come back for more crafts and stories from the Public Library.